Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to download, install and use of the Zoom app in our Android mobile phones. Before that, we will discuss why we need Zoom app and what is its advantages and how it is helpful in our day-to-day life. Zoom app facilitates a video chat conference where you can interact with a group of people with live video of yours and your group with a voice conversation. In this pandemic situation where we are stuck in home and working from home, but the meetings are required with our clients and people, this app allows a face-to-face kind of meeting with voice chat facility. This app is also helpful to explain something to whom are present in a different geographical area. We will start here. Then we will see where we can download the Zoom app. First, in the Play Store, you can find Play Store here. You can tap on the Play Store, and in the search bar you can type Zoom. You can type Zoom here, and this first link came, that is called Zoom Cloud Meetings. And then we need to install that. Tap on that install button and it will start installing. It will start downloading. It's a 36 MB app, so it will take some time. Wait for the Play Store to download the Zoom app. Then we will discuss about various features of Zoom app, how it is helpful in our day-to-day life, and different aspects of Zoom app. Yeah, it's almost over, and Android will start installing this app in your mobile phone. Some antivirus will scan that it is good for your mobile or not, but we know that it's good for our mobile. Then this app will look like this, Zoom. It will written as Zoom, and first we have to start with this Zoom app. To start this app, we will click here on the Zoom, and it will open like this. In the bottom, you can see sign up and sign in are there. You can sign in this app with your Google or Facebook account. Like when you click on sign, it will show that you can sign with your Google and you can sign with your Facebook. We will sign in with our Google account. So while after touching that Google account, it will show how many Google accounts are there. So we will click on one of my Google accounts. So the first page will be like that. If you are going with the sign up option, you can sign up the Zoom app with your email ID and a password. But it's always very easy to open or easy to sign in with your Google account. Okay. Now we are seeing there are 4 sections are there. There are 4 sections you will found in the bottom section, in the bottom of the page. First is meet and chat. Second is the meeting. Third one is contacts. You have to allow access to the contacts. Then fourth one is the setting. We will go to the first one, that is meet and chat. You can see guys, 4 options are there in the top corner. First one is new meeting. When you are ready to start a meeting, click on that new meeting button, so that your meeting will start and people will join, and you will have a conversation. You want to join, you will tap the button join, where you already have a meeting ID with you, and you are going to join with some other people who was the host, and you've been invited to join the meeting. Schedule. In the schedule button, you can schedule a meeting here by clicking on the date. By changing the date, you can schedule a meeting. Okay. So and the first one is the new meeting. When you click on the new meeting, it will show up like that. There are 2 options you can choose within that. First one is the video will be on. Yes, we will do that. Video will be on. and use personal meeting ID. This means that those people who are those people who wants to join in your meeting, they need to enter this ID. So we can click on that and we will start. Okay, we will go to the previous slide where we can find some other options, like in the second tab that is called meetings. Here, when you sign in this Zoom app, a personal meeting ID will be created, and that will be unique for every person. So whenever you will start a Zoom meeting, and you can invite other persons personal meeting ID. You can give this meeting ID to the person, or you can have this meeting ID. You can join a meeting conducted by other person with this meeting ID. Okay, in the third screen, it's a contacts. You can invite contacts to join a meeting, and in the settings section you will find how to customize your meetings here. So I always make it off. That auto connect button is always off. When I need to be talking to a person in a meeting, I always open the microphone, and I started to talk. So before that, I always mute my microphone. I always turn off the video, because I only turn on my video when I need to discuss with my group or participants. Otherwise, I always turn off my video. Okay, then we can go back. We can go back to the first button, that is meet and chat, and we will start a meeting here. So you will be very clear how to do that. So here in the new meeting, you can start, and you can check on the use personal meeting ID. So when we start a meeting here, it will connect, and you need to allow the access here. Okay, your meeting will start here, and in the bottom of the sections you can find unmute, stop video, share, participants, and more. Mute, you are allowing yourself to converse with the participants. When you are not talking to the participants, you can always unmute that. You can always mute that. You can always press that mute button, and your surrounding sound will not the surrounding sound will not be audible to the participants. So when you are done with the participants, you can stop the video, and whenever you want to discuss with your participants, you can turn on this video tab. In this participant tab, you can see how many participants have joined here, and who has given a chat, and you can see the chat box here also. So guys, this is all about Zoom app. If this video is really helpful to you, please like and comment. If you want to see the type of productive videos in the future, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be really grateful. Let's meet again with some productive video next time. Thank you.